Sarnia, chairwoman of Touring Cars. You have over 30 years of experience in traveling business. How have you felt this new augmented reality, this AR campaign we are doing?
Oh, it's been lovely and fantastic. Our visitors have been very happy about it. They have been sharing their videos a lot already now.
And I've also noticed that when they leave the photo shoot, they're all smiling like lips in their ears. They're very happy.
Of course, because this is something new where they can be part of too.
Yeah.
And it's for both sides, for us and for them, something new. And this is why we want always to be pioneering in everything, also in marketing things.
This is shown that this is a very good thing to do because it's so new. Have you already seen your own travel tip video?
Yeah, I have seen it and it was lovely, and I'm gonna share it later on today when I lie down in my sofa.
Thank you very much. And there's a few hours left, so have a very successful fairs.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.